I think you should stop it.
Let it go one time around this way too.
I think this train would only carry this much, not like that.
Yep. Good job. High five. Congratulations. You made some really good videos, so.
Bye. Daddy, I think you should. I think it's
You're going?
I think I want to be done. Can we see the video now?
Well, the video we have to edit it. Bye, YouTube.